So in this example, we're going to look for a 3-letter word. We're going to put our playable letters in here, and then going out from the D horizontally with a 2W multiplier in the second open tile, and the third tile is just blank. So we'll hit submit, and there we go. We can play DAP, or we can play DAD for 10. So in the next example, we're going to go for a 4-letter word, and we're going to put in our playable letters. We're going to play off of this K on the end. So there's a 2L right above it, and then a pre-existing K. So this one's going to be from the top, ending in K. Let's see what we get. Alright, so I'm going to try park for 12. And there you go. Let's play another one. Alright, in this last example, we're going to stick with 4 same playable letters. We have a 3L in the first position. We're going to do this vertical from the top. Second tile is R. The third one, we just have to clear the multiplier from last round. And then the fourth tile is U. So again, this is a vertical. Let's hit submit. There we go, prow for 13. And that's how FriendCrusher works.